Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about the steps a computer goes through when we press the on button. This process is called the boot process. There are 7 steps a computer goes through from turning on the button to having our computer up and running and ready to do some work. Step 1 is when the on button is pressed and electricity moves into the system. Step 2, the electricity causes the CPU to find the ROM. The ROM contains software called BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. These are instructions about how to get the computer going. Step 3, the BIOS does a number of tests, which are called the Power On Self-Test, or POST. This makes sure that all the computer components are working correctly. In our 4th step, the BIOS now compares its results to the CMOS chip. The CMOS contains software information about the computer's hardware. This chip is important because the CPU needs to know how to talk to the various hardware components, like the keyboard, mouse, and disk drives. If all is well, then we enter the 5th step. This is where the BIOS now looks to find where the operating system instructions are. To do that, the BIOS uses a special program called the Bootloader. This program looks to locate the operating system. If a capable operating system is located, the BIOS will pass control to it. In our 6th step, the operating system files have been found and the most important files have been uploaded to RAM. This is where the operating system now takes control of the computer. The final step, step 7, is where the operating system now loads up the rest of its files, such as Windows or Apple operating system, and the registry. The registry are the user's preferences, such as their mouse speed and passwords. Thank you for listening. This concludes our discussion on the boot process.